Hey everybody, thank you for joining my channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment if you will. I need to put my lashes on, but I don't have the glue yet. So this is me, baby. As you can see, my background is different because I moved yesterday and I got my new apartment and I'm on the 3rd floor and it's snowing outside right now. And my apartment is so big and spacious. It's fit for a queen. I said, this is my mansion. This is what it feels like to be successful. I really am overwhelmed and so thankful and so blessed that I got approved so fast and I was able to move. I just applied for this apartment last week and I'm already in here as of yesterday. Look at God. I'm starting off on the right foot in 2025. We got a new place of residence, new scenery, new views. It's snowing outside. It's a vibe. I got my candle burning. I mopped the floors. You can hear a little echo because my kitchen is so big. I'm gonna show you all a little tour, just a little bit, because yes, it's so huge. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to this video, to this channel. Like, comment, share, and subscribe because it's up and it's stuck. I told y'all 2025, I gotta do some more videos about manifestation and speaking things into life, speaking things to existence, because I've been doing my inner alchemy. I've been transmuting this negative energy, and truly last week it was rough. I had some rough patches, but that's why I said I know that when the devil attacks, a blessing is on the way, and that's facts. So I was like, something really good about to happen for me, and this is exactly what has happened. Like, yeah, truth don't need no support. Let me show you all my apartment real quick. I have to go to work at 2 o'clock today, so it's 1:15. So yes, let me show you what I'm working with. So they have a little intercom right here that doesn't work, I don't think, but my living room is so big. I got hardwood floors. Got my air freshener. I got my hook right there. I love those hooks from Amazon. I got to order some more. I had one left, so I put it right there. So I put my rug in my bedroom. And I sold my couch. So I'm going to get a bigger couch because my living room is super big. It's huge. And it's a beautiful snowy day. It's flurries, snow flurries. I'm on the 3rd floor, so I'm at the top. There's nobody above me. And it's a good quality building. It was made a long time ago and it's very good quality. I think that the newer apartments are not as sturdy, but this is a good quality building. So they put in new hardwood floors. I didn't want carpet, so I'm paying a little extra for the patio and hardwood floors. That it's snowing outside, so I have the scenery. I didn't have views, scenery at my last apartment. I got a patio. Then look at my kitchen. It's so big. Yep, it's a home. See, my table is so small. I gotta get a bigger kitchen table. They got new blinds. Those are new blinds. Look at the snow. I got new blinds. Everything's new. The stove is new. I just set the clock on there. This is new up there. The refrigerator isn't new, but it's still decent. I got my paper towel rack that I just got from Amazon, and I have to get the paper towels for that. Got my microwave that I found outside. Got my road opener candle because we need all the positive vibes. Got my I put my dishes up here, and look at the cabinets. The cabinets go way up. I'm gonna need a little step to get up to the top. The cabinets go all the way up to the top. Yes, they do. And I got my vitamins right there. Sea moss, ginkgo biloba, got some Tylenol PM, black seed oil. See, that's why I gotta stay healthy. Collagen, yeah. So this is the vibes. This is the kitchen. It's beautiful. It's luxurious and spacious. That's my bedroom right there. Let me show you the bathroom real quick. My curtain. I love this mirror in my bathroom. This mirror in my bathroom, you fold it so I can see the back of my hair. See, it's old school, it's quality. Look at my countertop. I got gold in it. I just got this from Amazon. I love the mirror. Then I got a good quality toilet. I got a good porcelain bathtub. Not that plastic stuff. I got good fixtures, hot and cold, old school. We like that. So look at my bedroom. This is where the magic happens. Look at this huge bedroom. Yes. I decided to put my rug in my bedroom instead of my living room. So I got my laundry basket. I got my little altar, if you want to call it an altar. Got my Alexa, got my Quran, got my Bible, got my weights. I put my bed together last night. Yes, let me see if I turn this light on. And I have a ceiling fan in my bedroom. We really like that. Yes. I'm gonna put a desk over here in my bedroom. See, I got so much space. Got the chair that I found. I got so much space right here in my bedroom. I got this much space. So I got enough room to put a desk. Make me want to do a tarot card reading. Put a desk right there by the window and just look out there. I got to get something put above my bed. And there's so much space in here. It's huge. And I have 2 closets. This apartment is for a couple, a married couple. I have a walk-in closet right here. This is my walk-in closet. Turn the light on. Walk-in closet. Still got stuff. Yeah, walk-in closet right there. So that's one closet. I gotta get a rug for this hallway too. Cause I gotta make it a home, make it cozy. And here's my second closet. The second one. So basically his and hers. Or hers and hers. Whatever floats your boat. Yes, so. And then I live in an area where it's a lot of stores. I live close to the highway, to the freeway. So of course there's gonna be a lot of restaurants and Planet Fitness and stores and City Trends and Chinese restaurants, everything, bowling alley. And everything is like walking distance too. And it's just a better location overall. So I just moved in yesterday, so I cleaned it up in here. It smells good. I got my Glade plugins. I mopped the floor. So, and it's the echo in here. But yeah, we're starting over brand new, fresh and new for the 2025. New vibes, positive vibes. All new vibes, all new energy in 2025. That's why Brian, the spiritual warrior, said we're not making announcements in 2025. We're just showing up with results. So here is my results of me doing my due diligence and living my life right. Because my last apartment was not good. It was not this. It was bad. This is better. Yeah, they upgraded. Then this light right here. All new. I got a dishwasher. Yes, so, and it's so cozy in here, and it's so warm in here, it feels good. And I got my fan on low, so it's the perfect vibe, perfect temperature and everything. So, yes, and I am planning on working at a different location because my job is further away from my apartment. This apartment is further away from my current location that I work at. So I'm in the process of transferring to a different location that's closer to me and that is better for my overall mental health and well-being. So we just leveling up in 2025. We coming with results. The proof is in the pudding. The truth don't need no support. So just get these good vibes, stay the course, and everything will work out in due season, in due time. You live your life right, and don't be discouraged because a blessing is on the way. Because yes, actions speak louder than words. Yeah, so I gotta get ready to work. Let me call my Uber, order my Uber, and go get to this bag because I gotta pay this rent. Yeah, we gotta pay the cost to be the boss. So yes, and it feels good to be the boss because you don't have to put up with nobody. You have a peace of mind. You're in a good neighborhood, safe environment. Yes, it's good to be able to pay your bills and get what you want. You don't have to settle for less. You don't have to put up with bull crap and nonsense and foolishness. So just know that in 2025, we living our life how we want to live it. We are happy, productive, satisfied, content individuals over here on this channel, and we don't have to dim our light or be in no bad situation that is not in our best interest. So with that being said, remember to always keep the Most High first. Don't do nothing I wouldn't do. Stay safe and be blessed, and see you next time. Bye.